out of the tank, so we'd batch here. You'd have to blend the.
That's a 250 tank.
Yep.
Now the hose coming over. So when you go over to this is the fill station in the center. Yes.
Right over here. Yep.
Okay.
That's
So
the pump coming into.
so you actually so you're actually going to be pumping
We're gonna
from
pump
the
from
remote.
there.
Nice. Because your son was saying, well, we're going to have to have somebody come and refill. I'm like, well, that's
No,
yeah,
no,
okay,
yeah,
all right. That's the microbial hose. There's not going to be any. Well, actually, we're putting alcohol through it.
We're running out.
Yeah, okay, so never mind. All right.
So he set all this up for the cap tightener. We'll put an extra little torque down on it. But so here's the thing. So like I said, I think we'll see when the different viscosity of liquid comes in here.
Yeah.
But we're gonna fill 8 at a time
Okay.
under there. So it comes down. It'll fill 8 at a time. Kick them out. There'll be operators here. They'll put down the caps on them.
All right.
Have it go through the cap tightener. Probably put somebody on the other side with a
Okay.
rack just for something to torque it down.
Got it.
I have 3 of them in there.
Nice.
So we'll keep 2 in there and bring 1 in here. That will go through, and on this side, we can put the film on the top and run through
Okay.
the shrink,
Got it.
the heater. So I have the heater, and we can come out this side here.
Okay.
We'll pick the bottles off of here.
And it's gonna,
Drop, either pick up off of there, slide down and drop into a bin or a catch on the left side there.
Okay.
Or somebody will be pulling them right off.
and it's gonna go straight
Come
through.
right through here. It's not gonna go through until, I'd have to cut that. We'll make a bigger hole. That's not a problem, we'll cut it.
Hey, a little, if there's a will, there's a wall, there's a way.
There's a way. That's right. So this should be able to do at least that size label. So it's not going to be a
Okay.
full bottle, but at least the size
Okay.
of that blade.
Yeah, give me
which
the
is more than
templates.
enough room for that.
We'll get through legal, get all that stuff squared away, and I need to, okay. So there's a lot on me this weekend. Hey, nothing like,
Yeah. Always